Bonjour à tous, hi everyone and welcome to Learn French with Vincent. This is Unité 7, leçon A. And in this lesson we'll work together on the adverbs, les adverbes. And to be more precise, we'll see three cases. The first one will be with an adjective, an adverb. Second situation will be with un verbe. And then the last one will be with une phrase. Okay, so let's see that right now. The first case we'll discover or we'll work on will be with an adjective or an adverb. Okay, so let's see. The idea is normally that the adverb should be placed, adverbe placé, devant, before the adjective or the other adverb. Okay, so if you've got a structure with one adverb and one adjective, your adverb should be placed before the adjective. If you've got two adverbs, then this one should be before the second one. Okay, so let's see how it goes. First example, ce thé est trop chaud. Okay, ce thé, thé is tea, of course. And then here we've got the demonstrative. This tea is too hot. Okay, so you've got the adjective chaud here, and then this trop should be before the adjective. Okay, so it's quite easy. Another possibility here, you've got two adverbs. So this one, trop, two, and then rapidement, well, fast. Okay, and then parler is to talk. Il parle trop rapidement. Okay, so obviously this trop, too fast, should be before rapidement. Okay, and then last example, ce film est assez intéressant. Ce film est assez, enough, intéressant, interesting. Okay, so assez comes before intéressant. All right, so remember, if you've got one adverb, then you should put it before the adjective or the second adverb. All right, so let's see now how you will construct it if you have a verb. So the rule goes like that. L'adverbe est placé, is placed, so the adverb is placed en général, in general, so that's quite important in French because of course we've got exceptions all the time. We will have exceptions in French, but en général, okay? Après, so after the verb, okay? Adverbe placé en général après le verbe. So let's see how it goes now. Je lis, lire, lire is to read, okay, so it's the present form. Je lis, I read, rapidement, okay, so fast. Je lis rapidement, so you can see that this rapidement, fast, comes after your verb here, lire, okay. Second example now. Elle parle, parler is to talk, doucement, okay, quietly. Elle parle doucement, same thing here. Your adverb is coming after your verb, all right? And then the last one, il conduit, conduire is to drive, il conduit très bien, very well, sa nouvelle voiture, his new car. Il conduit très bien sa nouvelle voiture. So as you can see here as well, this très bien, very well, is coming after the verb conduire, to drive. All right, so remember the adverb is placed in general after the verb. Okay, and then be careful, of course, if you construct it at the passé composé tense. So remember, we saw that previously. You should check the unit 5 if you want to know how to construct this passé composé. But then for the passé composé, we will have, of course, some exceptions. The exceptions are assez, enough, beaucoup, a lot, bien, well, déjà, already, mal, bad, mieux, better, trop, too much, too, okay, toujours, always, and then presque, almost. Okay, so assez, beaucoup, bien, déjà, mal, mieux, trop, toujours, presque. So, try to remember them, and then in the next page, I will show you how they change. So if you take this trop, remember it was too much. So, je parle trop. I talk too much. So if we've got the present form as we do here, basically it does respect the rule as we saw previously, so it comes after the verb. Okay, je parle trop. But then, if you put the same sentence at the passé composé form, okay, so remember passé composé, you've got avoir or être, and then after that you get this participe passé form, all right? So you will have to put this adverb, trop, between the two here. J'ai trop parlé. All right? Let's see now another example. Il se repose. Se reposer is to rest. Okay? Il se repose beaucoup, a lot. And then, if you put the same sentence at the passé composé form, il s'est beaucoup reposé. All right? Il s'est beaucoup reposé. So remember, present here, present form, you've got this adverb, it's coming after the verb, but then here, it must be here, so between the two. Okay? Another example. Je dors mal. So dormir, it's to sleep. Okay? Mal, bad. Passé composé form, j'ai mal dormi. So same thing. Doesn't come after, but it's right here. Okay? Elle sourit toujours. Sourire, to smile, toujours, always. Present form, elle sourit toujours. And then, passé composé form, elle a toujours souri. All right? And now, let's see if you want to make a sentence. Because you will have to remember that in some cases, well, the place of the adverb can change. Est variable. Okay? So let's see. You've got an example here. Malheureusement, so malheureusement means unfortunately, malheureusement, elle a perdu ses clés. Perdre, it's to lose. Okay? Ses clés, her keys. Okay? And it's the passé composé form. Malheureusement, elle a perdu ses clés. Okay, so that's one option. So you can start here, as you can see. You start with the adverb, and then you continue your sentence. All right? But then, it would be possible as well to change the order and to start like, elle a perdu ses clés, malheureusement. Okay, so you can see that it's possible to start with the adverb, or then you can end with it as well. So it's possible to move the adverb. In this case, it doesn't need to be at the right beginning of the sentence. Okay, we'll see another example. Récemment, récemment means recently. Il a décidé, okay, décidé to decide, de changer, to change, de travail. Travail is work. Okay, récemment, il a décidé de changer de travail. Okay, and it will be the same here. If you look carefully, you can start with il a décidé de changer de travail. So the same portion that we had here, you can start with it, and then you put récemment at the end. Okay, so in some structures, well, keep in mind that it's possible whether to start with the adverb or that to end with the adverb if you want. Okay, well, it's for once it's quite easy in French. All right. Okay, so I hope it was clear. So it was the first lesson of Unit 7, Unité 7. If you want more lessons, well, you can find them here, and then the website is waiting for you, imagier.net. Have a great day. Bye bye. Bonjour à tous and welcome to Learn French with Vincent, and this is Unité 7, leçon B. So we saw previously in the previous lesson, leçon A, it was les adverbes, so especially the place or where you should put the adverbs in the sentences or before verbs and adjective. But then in this lesson, we'll try to focus on what we call les adverbes de manière, and especially the way to construct them. Okay, so the rule goes like, if you've got, or if you want to construct an adverb de manière, first you've got to know well the adjective at the masculine form, then you will make it or modify it and put it at the feminine form, and after that you will add M-E-N-T, and when you add this M-E-N-T at the end of your feminine form of the adjective, then you will get the adverb. Okay, so it sounds quite easy. It is not that difficult, okay, but then we'll have a look. So we'll take a first example, easy one, and this is parfait. Okay, parfait means perfect in English. Okay, it's not that far. So we've got here this adjective, and it's at the masculine form. If we put the same adjective at the feminine form, well, the rule normally, we saw that previously, goes like you put this final you add this final at the end of your adjective to get the feminine form. Of course, we've got some exceptions, but then that's the normal rule, okay? And so based on this form, as we saw, you just add M-E-N-T, and then you get your adverb parfaitement, okay? In English, it would be perfectly, okay? So parfait, then parfaite, parfaitement. All right, so we'll see few examples, and then the first one is franc. Okay, so in some cases they will be a bit strange because the feminine will not follow the rule that we saw, but then, I mean, I told you that in advance, you know, most of them follow this rule, but then of course we've got exceptions. Okay, but then so franc, franche, so it's the feminine forms, the adjective, and then franchement, you get the adverb here. Okay, so for each adjective I will put the English translation here at the beginning. All right, doux, you don't pronounce the final X, douce, feminine form, doucement, adverb. Parfait, parfaite, parfaitement. Certain, certaine, certainement. Joyeux, joyeuse, joyeusement. All right, so let's repeat them one more time. Franc, franche, franchement. Doux, douce, doucement. Parfait, parfaite, parfaitement. Certain, certaine, certainement. Joyeux, joyeuse, joyeusement. Okay, let's continue the list. Heureux, heureuse, heureusement. Spécial, spécial, spécialement. Clair, clair, clairement. Vif, vive, vivement. Sportif, sportive, sportivement. Okay, you can read them one more time. Heureux, heureuse, heureusement. Spécial, spécial, spécialement. Clair, clair, clairement. Vif, vive, vivement. Sportif, sportive, sportivement. Okay, and then we can see some subgroups. Okay, so it does mean that here you will have the ending of your adjective at the masculine form, then here the ending of the adjective at the feminine form, and here you've got the ending of your adverb. So it takes back this ending here, accent grave RE, and then you add this MENT. Okay, so this subgroup follow the rule that if it ends with ER, then the feminine form will be accent grave, it goes like that, RE. Okay, so let's see a few examples now. Entier, entière, entièrement. Premier, première, premièrement. Dernier, dernière, dernièrement. Léger, légère, légèrement. Okay, one more time. Entier, entière, entièrement. Premier, première, premièrement. Dernier, dernière, dernièrement. Léger, légère, légèrement. Okay? And then second subgroup. So if it ends with ET, then it will go like accent grave, TE, and then for the adverb, accent grave, TE, and you add this MENT here. Okay? Let's see. Secret, secrète, secrètement. Okay, so I tend to insist a little bit on it just to make you hear the difference between the masculine. Secret, secrète. Okay, you're pronouncing the T. Okay? Complet, complète, complètement. Discret, discrète, discrètement. Okay, so one more time. Secret, secrète, secrètement. Complet, complète, complètement. Discret, discrète, discrètement. Okay, so let's see another subgroup. So actually you've got two things here. The first one, so if your adjective is ending with ENT, then it will be transformed for the adverb like EMMENT. And if it ends with ANT, it will be transformed like AMMENT. Okay, but then I did put them in the same group because phonetically, and that's the important thing, phonetically you will pronounce them the same way. So you will pronounce amant, and here it will be the same, you will pronounce amant. Okay, so let's see how it goes. Patient, and then patiemment. So as I told you, even if you write it EMMENT, phonetically it goes like amant, patiemment. All right. Récent, same rule. Récemment, récemment, récemment. Okay. Then suffisant, suffisamment. And the last example, élégant, élégamment. All right, so let's repeat them one more time. Patient, patiemment. Récent, récemment. Suffisant, suffisamment. Élégant, élégamment. Okay, and another subgroup. So if your adjective is ending with EL, then feminine form of the adjective will be ELLE, and then the adverb ELLEMENT. Okay. Réel, réellement. Okay, so remember when you've got this here and then it's followed by two consonants and then they are the same consonant like here, the sound of the changes and it's open, it's a. So that's the reason why you've got this réel. Okay, réellement. All right, then manuel, manuel, manuellement. Annuel, annuel, annuellement. Naturel, naturel, naturellement. Okay, one more time. Réel, réel, réellement. Manuel, manuel, manuellement. Annuel, annuel, annuellement. Naturel, naturel, naturellement. So now, with the previous lesson, and this one, you can master les adverbs, or at least you can be quite gifted with them. And then if you want to check for the previous lessons and the next lesson, you can find them on youtube.com/imagier, or then the website is here, imagier.net. Au revoir!